If you're experiencing the matchmaking error 2026 in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media pages to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that GTA 5 is allowed through. You may need to add exceptions for the game in your firewall or antivirus software. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.